Hello viewers. Today I am gonna giving you a lecture about leadership management and business analytics, and some lectures will be financial management. So without any delay, let's start. A community of social change agents and social entrepreneurs working on their own particular ideas about how to develop an important innovation to solve a problem or developing social movements for changes. And through the core strategic questions that such individuals always face: how can I best my particular positions in my particular context to create public value for the community of which I am a part. It may seem presumptuous, of course, to think that one can create public value as an individuals. So, and it is a vitally important that in doing so we can keep the public for whom at the very forefront once through and imaginations. So the public will, after all, always have ideas about what is possible and necessary and political equality, but what gives each of us and the right and all of us the responsibilities for acting to create public value is ultimately the fact that is and all occupy the role of a citizen in same society. And now being a citizen is the most important position of all since it requires each of us to think about the state of the society in which we live, and to do what we can to make it better. Of course, we all have individual lines to life and our own described to society, but the most important duty we have we have is to do what we can from our individual procession to make society better for all, to ensure that is and all can live with a secure sense of individuals dignity and autonomy, guaranteed by the structures and processes we have collective lines. So what I hope to share with you is an integrated analytic frameworks that will help you solve concrete problems of find opportunities for collective action in pursuit of public value, and then you will learn to describe and measure the particular values you hope to create to engineer an operational process that can succeed in changing the objective candidate and conditions. So next topics, in which is and all now lives, and you will find an opportunity to tap the resources of legal authorizations, financing, and public support needed to enact your plan. These frameworks when applied with care and imaginations and determinations to your particular situations will enable you to see a path forward to creating public value. This is the kind of public leadership that the world desperately needs. And uh, and then and with that, we have reached the end on the leadership management and financial businessing analyst. uh, that so that what did you understand by leadership management and business financial business analytics? So let us know in the comment section below, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to CyberAsia channel. And I will upload every day. I will upload every day uh, of financial related video and leadership related video, and I hope it really helped you all. So thanks for watching, and stay safe, and keep learning. And if you have any doubt, and if you didn't understand any topics, then you can uh, inform me by comment section, and you can message me on my Facebook page, which is soft Cyber Asia, and Facebook page is Asia Software Solution. Okay, Asia Technology Software Solution. This is my Facebook page, Asia Technology Software Solution, or you can directly type Asia Tech Software Solution. And so keep learning, and stay safe. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.